you get business credit without any personal liability? Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this short video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to build business credit and obtain it without a personal guarantee and without being personally liable for those business debts. Look, as an entrepreneur, you probably don't want to continue to get credit and financing for your business where you're always on the hook and you're always personally liable for those debts you incur. What you'd like to do probably is separate your liability so the business becomes liable for its own debts. And if you ever do default or there ever is an issue, the credit issuer or lender can't come after your personal assets. Well, this can only be done one way, and it's by building business credit. I talk to a lot of entrepreneurs that don't want to be personally liable, and all of them learn the exact same lesson. Liability comes when your business can't stand on its own. When your business can't stand on its own, that's when lenders and that's when credit issuers rely on your personal credit and personal guarantee to carry the actual financing through. But if you want to get away from it, there's only one way to succeed. You need to build business credit. By building your credit profile and score for your business starts to stand on its own. It starts to be able to qualify for large amounts of credit in the business name without your personal liability and without being attached to your personal credit report, which means it doesn't report on your personal credit reports and it doesn't rely on a personal credit pull in order to get approved. So if you want to get this kind of credit without a personal guarantee, here's how you do it. Step one, you've got to improve your business fundability. Fundability is over 125 factors that lenders and credit issuers look at to determine if you should be approved for credit and financing. Things like how you set up your entity or how you set up your website, email address, business phone, all tie into fundability. Now, we've got a lot of training on this on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/credit suite, or you can even go to creditsuite.com/consult, schedule a consultation, and we'll do a free fundability check for you to help you get on the right path of setting up the best fundability. Once you've done so, now you need to start getting initial credit that reports to the reporting agencies. Here's where personal guarantees really matter. There's two ways to do this. If you want to use your good personal credit and don't mind a personal guarantee to jumpstart your business credit building, then you can get up to $150,000 in 0% credit lines to start building your business credit. But again, the catch is this credit is based on your personal credit scores and has a personal guarantee. If you don't mind that, then go to creditsuite.com/get funding, fill out a handful of questions, and we'll get you on your way to getting approved. But if you want to start building business credit without liability right from the beginning, that's when you need vendor accounts. Vendor accounts come from credit issuers who will give you small lines of credit to use in their actual store for their products or for their services. Okay, and when you get this kind of credit, it reports to the business credit reporting agencies, but instead of being revolving credit where you can make a minimum payment towards the balance, you're asked to pay the entire balance off within the net term they give you, such as a net 30 account has to be paid in its entirety within that 30-day time period. Now, you've got to find vendors that report to the business credit reporting agencies. It's so crucial to your success. Over 97% of trade vendors don't report the credit. So even though you think you're getting business credit, it doesn't actually come in a form where it reports. As a matter of fact, some of that credit even reports in your consumer credit reports. This is just definitely not what you want to see. So you've got to get credit with credit issuers who do report. Some sources include Uline or Quill that sell office and shipping supplies, even Strategic Network Solutions that actually sells networking solutions and computer solutions. So these are the kind of vendors that report the credit to the business credit reporting agencies. Once you have a handful of those accounts, then you can move on to the retail credit tier. The retail credit tier is just what it sounds like. This is when you start to get credit with most major retailers. Places like Walmart to Amazon, Best Buy to Office Depot, Staples, Home Depot, Lowe's, almost all major retailers offer business credit. And in this stage, with a handful of vendor accounts reporting, you can start to get much of that credit. You'll then progress as you get 8 to 10 accounts to fleet credit, where you can get fuel cards and repair vehicles, maintain vehicles. And when you have about 10 to 14 accounts reporting, you can even start to get Visa cards, MasterCards, and auto financing, all without a personal guarantee, all without a personal credit check. But it all starts, the key to it all is to get that initial vendor credit that will give you the credit without the personal guarantee and credit check. That gives you an established credit profile. Once you have an established credit profile and score, those are the backbone to start getting the retail credit. And then from there, the more credit you get, the more credit you use, the higher the limits will be, and the more credit becomes available for you. So if you'd like to take years of this process and condense it down to only months, well, then visit us at creditsuite.com. At creditsuite.com, you can get in touch with us, schedule a free consult at creditsuite.com/consult. We'll do a fundability check. We'll see how established your credit is now. We'll even give you tips on teach you everything you need to know to get financing for your business, and we'll help you take years of business credit building and condense it to only months. So visit us online at creditsuite.com.